If you're facing this error message from the Rockstar Games launcher and the error says the Rockstar Games SDK failed to load due to an incomplete installation, error code 4, please exit the game and reinstall the latest version of the Rockstar Games SDK from the link provided here. Now, in most cases, it's not you, it's not about advice or internet, but the issue is on the end. If you go to the service status page for the Rockstar Games support page, I'll provide the link on the description of this video. You can see right now they say there are partial outages affecting their services, including Grand Theft Auto Online for PC, Red Dead Online for PC, and online services like Store. Also, it affects 5M. So it's not just you, the issue is on their end. If you go to various forums like the GTA subreddit forum, you can see the issue has already been reported. There are fresh recent comments here, many people suggesting they also face the exact same issue. Now the solution is just to wait for a few hours, close your launcher. After closing your launcher, then try to wait for a few hours, and then the issue will likely resolve by itself. Just keep visiting this service status page and you'll find that the issue can be resolved in the coming few hours. Now, while you wait, you can just wait for a few hours and the issue will likely resolve by itself. However, if you don't see any message here indicating there is no any issue on the end, you can try to reinstall the Rockstar Games launcher. To reinstall the Rockstar Games launcher, you can press Windows plus I and then select here on apps. Now select installed apps. Then just type here on the search bar for Rockstar. Now you'll see here Rockstar Games Launcher and the Rockstar Games SDK. Now try to uninstall the Rockstar Games SDK and the Rockstar Games Launcher as well. After uninstalling these two programs, you can go to Google or any search engine and then search for Rockstar Games Launcher download. Just like this. And then click search. So click on this link here which say download the Rockstar Games Launcher. It will take you to this page here and then click download for Windows to download the latest version of the Rockstar Games Launcher. After downloading this, install it and the Rockstar Games Launcher will be installed and automatically the Rockstar Games SDK will also be installed as well. But in most cases right now you don't need to do anything. As you can see right now on the status page, they say there are partial outages. So nothing on your end you need to do. Just wait for a few hours and the issue will likely resolve by itself.